Hi children, we are going to learn opposites. Okay, we look at the pictures and we learn opposites. Now, when you are doing a work, you say, my teacher gave me full mark or teacher gave me half mark. Yes, teacher will say, you wrote neatly or you scribbled opposite words. A child can be tall or short. Describing, using the correct word. The opposite word that you use should be correct. We look at the picture and we learn opposites. Yes, we learn to spell and we learn to read. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this exercise. Let's look at our first set of opposites. Look what we have here. From the picture itself, you will be able to say the word correctly. You have a tree here, you have another tree here. This tree is good, tall. Palm tree is tall, mango tree is short. So we'll write tall, short. That's it. So this is the tall tree. What is the opposite of tall? Short. Spell tall, T-A-L-L, tall. Tall palm tree, short, S-H-O-R-T, short mango tree. Always the palm trees are very tall. So this is opposites what we are learning. Tall, short, using the correct word for the picture. Tall, short. Good, let's look at another set of pictures and learn the opposites. Good, here we are. Look at the two candles. One is thick. The other one is thin. Yes, thick and thin. Good. So thick. This is you don't say fat candle. You say it's a thick candle. T-H-I-C-K, thick. And this is thin. T-H-I-N, thin. Thick and thin. The candle can be either thick or thin. Good. So you learned the opposite word for thick. What is the opposite of thick? Thin. Good. Let's take another set of pictures. Are you enjoying the exercise? Here. Who uses tie? You use it for the school and your dad uses for the office. Yes. This is long. Long tie. Okay? And this is short. Long, opposite, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Long tie, daddy uses. And you use short tie. Long, short. Long, short. Good. So you are learning. Let's look at another set of pictures. See what we have here. Have you seen this? Elephant. And here this little, you have a little doggy there. Little doggy will always have to look up at the huge elephant. So, the elephant is big, big animal. And opposite of big is small. This is a small puppy or small dog. Big, B-I-G, big, small, S-M-A-L-L, small. Big elephant, small puppy. Opposite of big, small. Good. Let's look at another picture. Now we have two things here. You have a balloon, a big balloon, and you have something here, rock. Rock and a balloon. Now the rock is heavy and the balloon will be opposite of heavy, light. Good. Heavy. This is a rock. Spell rock. Rock is heavy. H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. Rock is heavy. Opposite of heavy, light. Balloon is light. L-I-G-H-T, light. Opposite of heavy, light. You learned? Good. Let's look at another set of pictures. See what we have here. Hot cup of coffee. And cold ice cream. Hot, cold. The coffee is hot. Spell hot. H-O-T, hot. Opposite of hot is cold. Ice cream is cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Hot, opposite, cold. Good. Let's look at a new picture. See what we have here. You have a piece of log here. And you have a soft pillow here. Yes, this is, a log is rough. And the pillow is opposite of rough, smooth, or okay, hard. The log is hard. It's a piece of the tree, hard. H-A-R, hard. What is the opposite of hard? Soft. Pillow is soft. It's full of cotton. Hard, opposite, soft. Now you learned the opposite? Hard, soft. Good. Let's look at another set of pictures. Look what you have here. What is this? Mango. Mango is yummy and sweet. And what is this? Lemon. Lemon is sour. Sweet, sour. What is sweet? The mango, when it is ripe, it is sweet. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. And the lemon, if you suck the lemon, it is sour. Sweet opposite, sour. S-O-U-R, sour. Sweet, sour. Good. Let's go on to a new set of pictures. Look. This looks certainly old t-shirt. And this looks new. Opposite of old is new. Old. O-L-D, old. And this new t-shirt, new. N-E-W, new. Old, opposite, new. Good. Let's go to a new picture. Look what you have. Here you have two doors here. One is open and this one is closed. Open. Open, opposite, closed. Open spelling, O-P-E-N, open. This door is open. This door is closed. The spell closed, C-L-O-S-E-D, closed. Open, closed. Good. Let's look at another set of pictures. See what we have here. We have two sofas here. One is dark colored, another one is light colored. Dark. This sofa is dark. They have used dark cloth for it. T-A-R-K. D-A-R-K, dark colored cloth. But here they have used light color, soft, light grey. So L-I-G-H-T, light shade. Dark shade, light shade. Dark, light. Good. Let's go to a new picture. What are we learning? Opposites. What is this? Rock. This is stone. The rock is rough. This is smooth. Look at the stone. Smooth. Some stones are smooth. Rough. R-O-U-G-H. Rough, rock, and smooth stone. Smooth spelling S-M-O-O-T-H. Smooth. Rock is rough. Stone is smooth. Opposite of rough, smooth. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what you have here. Looking at the sign, you know. Right, wrong. Very good. Teacher says, whatever you written is correct. Right. Or she'll say, your sum is wrong. Right. Spell right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. This sign is right. This is wrong. W-R-O-N-G. Wrong. Your sum can either be right or wrong. Opposite of right, wrong. Good. Let's look at a new picture. We are learning opposites, yes? Good. Look at this. There are two plates here. This one is empty. This is full. Full of what? Nice hot vades. Good. Full. This plate is full of food. Full. Full. This one empty. 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 Full, empty. Good. Let's take another picture. See what we have here. There's a very happy girl and a sad girl. A happy child, sad child. So opposite of happy, sad. Happy, sad. Spell happy, H-A-P-P-Y. Happy, S-A-D, sad. Either you are happy or you are sad. Opposite of happy, sad. Good. Let's take another picture. Look at the picture and let's learn the opposite. See what we have here. Count and say. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tomatoes? Just 4. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what will you say? Few. You have few tomatoes here. F-E-W. Few. Few opposite? Many. You have few tomatoes here and you have many tomatoes. Few, many. Yes? Few, many. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Are you learning opposites correctly? Yes, good. Look at this. Look at the two pictures. You have a young man here and you have an old man here. Old. Opposite, young. Old, opposite, young. O-L-D, old. Old man. Here's a young man. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Old man, young man. Opposite of old, young. Good.